That bird just appeared from behind, out from behind that cloud. It's not my dog, by the way. Kitty, kitty. That is really strange because that cloud earlier, when I zoomed up to it, the bird just appeared out of it and took off, and then I zoomed and was looking at the bird. And I could have sworn, I just had a feeling that that bird quite possibly could have been the distraction. Because now this cloud's just breaking up. Well, that's an odd looking cloud. Mm-mm. Now it's gone. I've gotten to the point where I can distinguish fake cloud from a real cloud. Real clouds come a dime a dozen nowadays. But anyway, I'm extremely sick and ill from what I believe to be the other day when I shot my arrival video. I mean, the sky was just insane, and I got sick. So I never get sick, but that day was just total rampage of our skies.